Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable fast charging on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Now scroll on down to device care. So here it is. Let's tap it. Scroll on down under here and go to where it says battery. Choose that. Scroll on down and then we have an option for charging settings. And we have fast charging right here. We could try just turning this on and off. If we don't have it on, just turn it on. And then you should be good to go just in the settings. Now also look at your different chargers. So I have a specific Samsung fast charger with a Samsung cable right here. So I know it's going to fast charge. Actually, this is an iPhone cable. Ignore that one. But sometimes you might have some rinky-dink setups like this, where you're not using the correct cables. So you could be using a fast charger, but everything else is just not working right. So I'm not even sure what this is. And then this is a JBL cable. So this might not be a fast charging setup. You'll have to use the specific cable with your manufacturer or your brand. So I know Samsung has fast chargers that look like this. I'm using a Samsung phone. So the likelihood of that charging really fast is probably really good once I turn on the settings. So just make sure you have the correct cable, not your iPhone cable. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.